want to show you how to play Lost Boy by Ruth B. If you want the letter notes for that, go to letternoteplayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. So you've got 4 chords, and all the way through you've got these same chords, but here we're going to have the E, and then instead we're going to have a G chord, but we're going to play a D, and then a C, and then a G, and play the 5th on it. So we're going to play an E minor chord, and we're going to play, here's your E minor chord, we're going to play B, E, G, we're going to put the E in the middle. And that lets us go up to the G chord like this. The G in the middle, D, G, B. Your G chord is G, B, D. We'll put the G in the middle, D in the bass, and then we go to a C chord, straight C chord, C, E, G, 1, 3, 5 on C, and then just play 2 notes of the G chord, G and B, and then put the D in right there. And then that sets us up for the chords all the way through the song. We've got the same chords, but this time we're going to play an E minor chord, G, B, E, and then a G chord, G, B, D, and then a C chord, G, C, E, back to a G chord, G, B, D. So it'll go. There's your chords all the way through. E minor, G chord, C major, G chord, all the way through. So that intro, if we play it together, is. And now we just need to get the melody, because the melody repeats itself. The melody of the verse and the melody of the chorus. B, D, E, B, G, B, D, E, B, B, D, E, B, A, G, B, D, E, B, B, D, E, G, F sharp, E, D, B, C, D, B, E, D, B, D, B, A, B, A, B, A, G, B, D, E, G, F sharp, E, D, D, B, D, D, B, A, B, A, B, A, G, B, D, C, D, E, G, E, D, B, A, B, A, G, G, A, B, B, A, A, then B, E, D, G, A, B, A. And right there we'll have just a D chord that will arpeggiate. D, F sharp, A, D, F sharp, D, F sharp, A. And that leads us into the chorus. Now the chorus melody is B, A, B, D, G, B, A, D, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, G, B, D, B, A, B, A, B, D, D, E, D, B, A, B, C, B, C, B, C, B, G, B, D, B, G, F sharp, E, D, 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 E, B, A, B, A, G. You jump the octave there. G, G, F sharp, E, D, D, B, D, E, B, A, B, A, G, B, D, D, B, D, G, B, D, 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 G, B, D, E, B, A, G, G. And sometimes she repeats that. She does at the end, and she does another time after the chorus, I think, after the 2nd verse. But now we just need to put it together. And so here we go with the intro. Now I'll go slowly so that you can see it. You put the chord right after the E. So you go, hit that chord, hit the D, B, D. Go right Right back into it. Straight quarters there. There the chord comes between the two B's. So you got chord, then hit the B again. Chord. Now here we go with it. We're going to have an A minor chord and then to a D chord. So we go. Now the first time you have a B-A right there, but you can put that in every time if you want to. She doesn't. She sings it straight some, but she puts it in that little. And then we have this arpeggio. That's all it is. And then go right to these chords. And we have double chords. Da 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 dee da dee da da dee da 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 da. And don't make them too long. Don't hold them out. Just shorten them a little bit. Not full on staccato, but just shorten them and put space between each chord. Just change and go to single chords on that. If you want to, you can keep that double chord going, but I like it better with just a single chord, and then we do it again. That's your cadence and your tag at the end of the chorus each time. And if you play it twice, you play it a little softer the second time. Then we're in the second verse. Now the second verse is the same, but the melody changes just a little bit. To the chorus. I could show you that melody, but I think you can get it from just the letter notes and from me playing it, so I won't go through it letter note by letter. But then we go into the chorus, and the chorus is just the same after the second verse, but we put an extra little ending on that, the last little tag there on the chorus. For that octave. As you change to the E minor and you go G, G. The way I do it right there is I play it strong the first time, this tag, and then I'll play it softer and more melancholy the second time. So. Then we're into the bridge, and the bridge is different. Your melody is... It's in the same range and the same notes, but it's just a little different. And then B pickup right there. I'll go over that slowly so that you can see it. There you go. So now, and then we have the same chords in the left hand. So then the chords aren't anything different. Different on the melody. What we do there is we go G, she varies the melody right there. G, F sharp, E, crush that F sharp into the E. And then da 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 D, you go D, E, G, B, A, G, E, D, B, A, B, A, G. And then we're back to it. We have the tag. And now more melancholy and softer. And hold that chord a little bit. There you have it, Lost Boy by Ruth B. Great song. I hope you enjoy playing it.